The name of my album is Te Whakamiha. It means appreciation, gratitude for my journey in Te Reo Māori. What it really represents for me is fun and collaboration. My reo journey is definitely a big thread of the album. I had a good grasp of Te Reo Māori, like I've been conversational. But the next level for me is learning to use metaphor. Māori uses a lot of metaphor, and so songwriting feels like a good vehicle for actually using the language and the way it evolved to be used. Kātuarehe is a character song, like I'm too cool for you, you could never kind of attitude. It's just fun and has cool drums and bass line. Big mana energy. Our parents didn't grow up speaking Māori, so we didn't grow up speaking Māori. Reclaiming Te Reo Māori it's a big journey. You're sort of confronting what was lost and face why it was lost. To me, it felt like the line with every generation is getting stretched thin, and at some point it's going to snap, you know? I wanted to strengthen it rather than let it get thinner for my kids. My new album, Te Whakamiha, represents having gratitude for music and Te Reo Māori and my dual journeys in those two spaces. Language is such a window to culture, and when you learn Te Reo, you get to know what's already there within you.
It's a crying shame.